I could have spoken a lot more about something which were known as Red Mercury, a project called Red Mercury. It's a COVID code name for Y plant at Pelindaba. And there is no such thing as Red Mercury in nature. The name itself comes from a KGB sting operation in the 1970s and 80s. But they said they had secret and some miracle ingredients to build nuclear weapons, and when they saw who responded, then they knew what was happening, and they got taken. These guys who responded, mostly the Middle East, they just took millions of them for hard currency, and they never did it. So there's rumors to say that the South Africans knew this, of course, and they used the same code name for something else, knowing it would refer back to that operation. And then there's, of course, other people who say, no, it never existed. But it did exist. On the KGB files, it actually existed. But it seems there was actually a plan. I don't know how serious it was, but he had plans to strike at Pelindaba. And he didn't think of using the CIA or any of them. They are so useless, they wouldn't have gotten through. But with aircraft. And this was built on the same way, the plan. It was the same as what happened a year or two before, where the Israelis with the new F-16s actually attacked the Iraq nuclear plant. But what most of you won't know, sadly so, and I do describe this in many books, this one probably too, is that the Iranian Air Force attacked that plant a few months before with their Phantom II aircraft. So the Israelis were not first. But of course, since the Israelis, the movies came from them, nobody knows about the Iranian Air Force attack there. Nobody knows that the Israeli assistance, intelligence assistance to do that. Yeah, nobody knows about that. But it is shocking to me that the Americans could even think that they could launch such a strike, probably from Botswana, and get through. Would they have? I don't know, guys. What do you think? I don't know. I don't think so. I think they would have had serious problems. But it's also so that Pelindaba, and the place where the nuclear weapons and things were being assembled and enrichment and so were not protected really against conventional attack that much.